tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in.
Hello. Let's get up into this video. So, of course, you know why you here today. So, today we're going to be making that body butter. And you know, with just 3 easy, simple recipes up in your house. We know you have it. We know you also have that baby lotion, that Vaseline, skin oils, coconut oils. Today I'm gonna be adding some food coloring just to give my own a little bit coloring. You can also add pigment. We got the hand mixture back there. We got some little containers. Got this from the Dollar Tree. Also got both of them from the Dollar Tree. We have the bowl. We got our spoon. We got our gloves. So y'all know what it is. We about to start this video. Let's get into it. So let's get right into this. So, but I did switch bows because I need a bigger bow because my little sister said she wanted some too. First thing we're going to do, we're going to put some Vaseline up in here too. Gonna put some Vaseline up in there. You're gonna spray your lotion just a little bit for right now. Mix it in. See, mix it in. We're gonna mix it in real good. So then you're just gonna add some more of your little, you know, your oil. I'm gonna add some vitamin oil and just a little bit of olive oil. Vitamin oil. Helps the skin a lot. Put some of that good old olive oil up in there. I got these from Walmart. Very inexpensive. They was like $2 for it or whatever. I also got this DIY from another channel, and then I seen a picture, so I wanted to do it with the baby oil and the Vaseline. I thought that was very good. This is also my first YouTube channel, so I'm very excited about it. Very excited. So it looked like I need, as you can see, it's mixing in like very good. But I'm gonna add some color. In the DIY I seen, they didn't add color, but I'm gonna add some color because I want to add color. I'm gonna add food coloring because I seen a lot of videos with like body scrub and them adding food coloring to it. We're gonna add some more lotion. The baby lotion, I had this in my closet. I got it for a baby shower gift. So I was like, oh, that's easy. Only thing I had to buy was the oils. Cause I have oils also in my closet, but excuse me. I have oils also in my closet, but they're halfway gone. So I just was like, I'm gonna buy a brand new one so I can just put this with my stuff, and I added with the hair stuff that I already use. I had to buy Vaseline because the Vaseline I have is like already almost gone. And I'm gonna just add some more some more Vaseline. And mine's. Again, you don't have to add a lot, but I'm making a lot for my sisters. So I'm just gonna add some more. This baby lotion is pink. The DIY Sing, her baby lotion was white. Mine's is pink. But as you can see, the color is white. We're going to add some more lotion. Add a lot of lotion. Because I added a whole bunch of Vaseline. I'm going to add some more oils. I know I'm probably just like mixing everything in. It is still white, you can see, because it's telling me I probably gotta add some more. And plus, it's probably going to be a little color because I'm adding yellow. I mean green, and the vitamin oil is yellow, so it's gonna probably have another tint to it. But y'all know we got some food coloring because I want to see if I can turn it blue. Like, I want to use blue. This is like a lot of stirring, really. Your arm get tired. But I'm gonna add some more. So I'm adding some more baby lotion in it. But it smells like really, really good. You can smell it. Plus the Vaseline smells good too. You just want to mix, mix, mix. I'm not using a hand blender because I just wanted to mix it, but I want to turn it blue, so I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring in it. Here's the blue food coloring. This is probably going to be enough for one person. I'm probably going to have to make some more. So I added about 4 or 5 drops. Oops, sorry. Don't do that, y'all. Dropped it in there. But I added about 4 or 5 drops in there. Okay, so we just want to put that down because that's getting so messy. See how this turns. Yes, y'all, blue. Get into it. Yes, blue. And that good old food coloring in it too. Yes. And then you're just gonna mix it in, you know, mix, mix, mix. Look at that cotton candy. Mix. It looks so good, cotton candy. Let me know if I should make a cotton candy one. I definitely will be making some more. Don't have a website right now, but I should be having one. But let me know if y'all want to see more. Just trying to get that. It look like icing. And I'm using this because I've seen a lot of people, do spoons, but I bake cakes and stuff, so I just was like, this would be way better because it would get all of it, everything you need. Yes, it does get messy, but it definitely get everything you need. I'm sorry, I just gotta wipe this blue up off my table before it's staying on the table. But it should be able to come off once I wash it. But lesson to be learned. Definitely put something down. Because this one is definitely going to stain my red table. Hopefully, if I bleach it, it come off. Y'all, I don't know what's going on with my voice, but it's a little voice. But it's definitely done. You see, I got this cotton candy body butter. And all you needed was Vaseline, baby lotion, and some vitamin E, and a little bit of olive oil. And some coloring, food coloring. This is the food coloring that I'm using. I got it from my local Walmart. You can get it from your local Walmart. So, yeah. That one looks very perfect. So, I didn't get to show y'all this. Didn't get to show you this. But, I've been had this. I think I got this from Michael's like a long time ago. Because I do cakes and stuff. Bye, Cardi. But I do cakes and stuff. And I'm going to use this bag because I thought it was easy. Because I can just put it in here. I'm going to squish this, push this piece in here, cut this hole right here. So I can push this piece in there. You know. Maybe I should have cut it first. Yeah, let me cut it. Okay, y'all. Just up in here. To me, I feel like this is easier. So, you know, everybody's method is different. But to me, I feel like that was easy. Easier for me. So we just gonna, you know, scoop this right on in here. I don't know about you, but I want to make sure I get it all up in this bag. So the containers I'm using, I got these from the Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree, $1. Everybody can get them. I also got these from the dollar store. You can get this from your local dollar store if you want it. How we gonna do this? Oops! Don't do that, y'all. Hold up. Don't do that. Don't do that. So I'm gonna do the jar, y'all, because it's like right here. So we're gonna do the jar. Start at the bottom of the jar. Rotate it. I don't think this is gonna be enough for this jar. So we probably gonna have to make some more. But yeah. And there you go. Perfect body butter. Yeah. Just gonna squeeze all the rest of that out. That out of the way. Take them gloves on off. And then you got that blueberry body butter. Blueberry body butter. I don't know if you can really see it, but it is definitely blueberry body butter. And I will be using this tonight. They said you can use this for the winter, but I think it's for summer and winter also. It feels very, very good. So, of course, hit my DM. So, I'm going to be posting my Instagram up there. If you want something, just let me know. And then you got that perfect body butter. Thank you.